They say that less is more. Pero what if you are a big hoarder who keeps years-old stuff for the sake of memories? To get the record straight, minimalist living doesn't mean throwing away all your stuff. Minimalist living is more than just decluttering or throwing away stuff you don't need. That being said, ano ba talaga ang minimalist living? And how and why should we live by this philosophy?
Simple lifestyle. Ito ang ibig sabihin ng minimalism. The first step to living a minimalist life, kailangan nating i-let go ang mga bagay na hindi natin kailangan, katulad ng mga damit na hindi na natin sinusuot, o yung mga items sa kitchen cabinet natin na nakastock lang at hindi naman nagagamit. We have to learn how to live with the things that we need, no more. The second step, controlling yourself from buying and buying and buying. Minimalism doesn't mean you're depriving yourself of the things that make you happy, but it does help you evaluate if you need all these things to be happy. If you're switching to a minimalist lifestyle, binibili mo lang ang isang bagay because you really need it and you are going to use it for a long time. Makakatipid ka pa. The third step, aim for a quiet, calm life. Sa kultura natin ngayon, many people are easily influenced by celebrities, influencers, and even corporations who they tag as life goals. Pero if you are living minimally, hindi ka matutukso na makiuso at makisabay sa trend. Hindi mo maiisip na bilhin ang isang bagay just because in-endorse ito ng isang celebrity. You will consume less. Because of this, you will also spend less. In other words, you're not going to be wrapped up in the consumerist culture.
When we picture a minimalist lifestyle, it shouldn't automatically be an image of white wallpaper and 3 pieces of furniture. Kung mag-uumpisa ka pa lang, take it step by step. Hindi mo kailangang biglain. It's a long process because you're not only decluttering your room or house, you're also trying to change your mindset and philosophy to free yourself from distraction. I am Nicolette Henson-Hizon. Join us daily here and on our official Facebook account, CLTV36, and YouTube account, CLTV36 Official, as we give you tips to live every day beyond style.